Hello genius guys, in this video I will tell you how to deploy your static website on GitHub. Okay, you can see here I have this static website and I am going to deploy this website on GitHub. Okay, so let's do it. Come on your Chrome browser and search GitHub and click on first URL. Okay, and after that you will see such kind of interface. So you have to click on sign up because we have to create an account first. Okay, so here you have to type your email ID. After that you have to also type your password, and after that you have to type your username that you are going to keep on your profile. Click on continue button. Now it's verifying our account. Click on save password. So here we have to solve the visual puzzle because I want to confirm that I am not robot. After that click on submit. Okay, here we have to confirm our email ID. So OTP will come on our register email, so just verify OTP fast. After verifying OTP, we will come on sign in page. We have already saved our password on Chrome, so it will come directly. After that just click on sign in. So here you have to click on create repository button. We have to give a name to our repository. I am giving name my site. Make sure it is public and create on create repository button. So after that you will see the option uploading an existing file. Click on that. After that select all the files that you have to upload. Select all and drag and drop that all files here. And then GitHub start the process of uploading file. So wait for few seconds, it's uploading all the files. After uploading all the file, you have to write here first commit. By mistakenly I wrote there second, so you write first commit and click on commit changes button. After that process will start. Your file will come in GitHub repo. In order to deploy your file on GitHub, you have to click on settings. After that come in code and automation, click on pages. Select your branch here, main, and after that folder will be root. After that click on save button. In the build and deployment option you have to select the source, GitHub actions. Okay, and after that just refresh your page. Refresh page until the URL link come. You have to refresh the page repeatedly. It will take a few minutes to generate the URL of deployed code, and you stay refreshing page. Now you can see here URL. Just click on that URL to access the website. You can access your website anywhere using this URL. Okay, now let me show you on like incognito mode. Okay, I'm pasting this URL on incognito mode. Here I can access the website. You can see you can also access this using your mobile phone. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.